Hey everybody, it's Derek from Teradek, and I'm here with the Jetpack encoder system, and I'm going to take you through what it takes to get this thing started and off the ground. So once you take it out of the box that you're going to get it in, you want to make sure that you're familiar with the design and where things are. So on this side here, we have our I/O panel. This has everything from SDI, HDMI, your network ports, any analog IFB or intercom ports, as well as your power inputs. Anything that you need to connect or disconnect on the device exists on this side here. It's also the output for the cooling system. So all of your heat is going to be dissipated through this side. So we do want to keep this as neat and as tidy as possible. That's why we have some mesh over the top here. So on the opposite side, we have the operational menu and D-pad, along with your power button here at the top. Out of the box, these will come with the SIM covers over the top where you can insert or remove your SIM cards. So on the front of the bag, we have a lower compartment here for your battery. Make sure that you have the right plate on there. Right now I'm using a gold mount, so I have the gold mount plate. And underneath this pull tab here is where you're going to store your long monitor cable. So the long monitor cable gets wound up into here and is easily accessible from the monitor side. To get to the monitor, pull up on these two zippers here, open the top, and fold out the two sides, sticking them to the Velcro to create the sunshade. So the first thing I want to do now that we've got it out of the box is charge that internal battery. So I'm going to take this DC power source here and plug it into the DC power source input on this bag and let it charge for at least 4 hours to get the maximum charge on that battery. I'm going to go around to the other side and insert the SIMs that I need into these SIM slots here. So I'm going to take another encoder and show you that separately. To access the SIM slots, you need to remove the covers on the front faceplate of the encoder. Once these are off, you'll have 4 for the top and 4 for the bottom modems, all labeled 1 through 8. Insert your SIM cards there and replace the cover once you're done. Now that we have our SIMs in, I'm going to insert my battery here into the battery plate and zip this up to keep it protected. I'm going to open my sun hood so I can see my monitor. Power up the encoder with this top button, and you'll see Teradek Prism Jetpack load on the screen. And while we're waiting for the monitor to come up, I will plug in my source into SDI1 on the other side. Plugging into SDI1 here, and then we can zip this back down to protect our cables and keep it snug to the bag. Now that we have this fired up and we see all of our controls on screen, you'll need to go to Teradek Cloud and manage your device directly from the dashboard. When purchasing a new jetpack through Teradek, we will attach it to a new cloud account or one of your existing cloud accounts. So if you purchase your jetpack from a third party, you will need to contact Teradek to enable the device in your account. So with a few easy steps, you're able to send video from anywhere to anywhere with Prism Jetpack. For more information on Jetpack, please visit teradek.com/jetpack or send us an email live@teradek.com.